Good evening to you all. Queen, where are you going? Hey, come. See, this is dusk time, and after some time it will be evening. So this time we are telling dusk. Okay. In Hindi we are telling it Godhuli Bela. So it is a pleasant moment. It is summer season, so evening time when you will go out you will feel something better. How long you will be with cooler, it's okay, but when you will come out you will feel that lot of oxygens are there with you, isn't it? Here are lot of grasses and Queenie is enjoying. That's why I am not peeling off all these grasses. These grasses are helping us because they are also releasing some oxygen. That's why. See, it is my backyard. Today I am going to tell you how you will introduce your kids with nature. In English, you will tell, this is grass. Okay, these are endless grasses are here. Their color is green, isn't it? And here are some soil and sands. Ascend, descend, SOIL, soil. Soil मतलब मिट्टी होता है और sand means बालू. और see, this is flower and this is bud. This is leaf. So you will tell your kids, this is bud, this is flower, this is leaf. Leaf's color is green and flower color is white. This is a banana plant. I have bought this banana plant from Amazon. How is it looking? It is looking very nice. And this is my tiger plant. These flowers are blooming in the time of summer and it looks beautiful. Bunch of flowers are there. I don't like to pluck them because it is looking so beautiful. This time some flowers are not looking good, otherwise early morning all flowers looks beautiful. Endless buds are there. Tomorrow morning they will bloom, isn't it? I am plucking flowers, but not that much how much other people are plucking, and even I am telling others who are coming to take flowers for their worship, I am telling them to pluck some flowers. I don't like if anyone will boil my plants, how they will look. And this is the plant, it is custard apple plant. Are you watching? Once upon a time it was a huge plant. I have cut their branches because it was just whenever I was crossing from here they were just pinching me. That's why I have cut their branches, but they are again regrowing, isn't it? And this is my hibiscus plant. Here red flowers are blooming. See how much. In this summer season flowers are not blooming that much, but in the time of what is it called, winter, in the time of winter it is blooming countless flowers. See, this is a bud. Tomorrow morning it will bloom and become a flower. And this is what? This is a bitter gourd plant. I have planted it. See, some small bitter gourd are growing here. Is it looking beautiful? Yes. Queen! Queen, come. Pleasure, you also come. Come. Oh, Queen, what are you doing? My dogs are playing here always because here you will get a peaceful and pleasant moment. I like to sit here. Pleasure, you also come. Come. Hey, who told you to come to me? Go. Go, Queen. Sit. Sit here. What are you doing? Queen, stop. Don't lick my mobile. Sit here. Hey, Pleasure, come. Pleasure, come. Queen, what are you doing? Sit properly. Pleasure. Stop it. Stop. I don't like it. Sit here properly. Stop, yaar. Stop. Okay, leave. Pleasure? Eh, what happened to you? Go. Go, I told you. Pleasure, you go and play with her. Go. When I am calling you, you are not coming. And when I am not calling you, you are coming. Queen. Stupid. And you also came. Oh my God, everyone came now. Go. Destiny. Don't jump on me, yaar. How much time you are jumping? Hey. That's two. Chandi, Destiny and Queen. Queen. Why Queen? Destiny? Who told you to jump? Huh? Queen? Sit there properly. Chandi. Pleasure. Pleasure, come. Oh, Pleasure. Oh, sweet little girl. If I am calling you, why are you not coming? Say hi to everyone. Queen? No, Pleasure. Say hi to everyone. Pleasure. Uh-oh. Stop fighting. Okay? I told you to stop. Stop, Queen. Stop. Go. Pleasure, Peach, Queen. Why?